friends, it's Cow, and this is our 30-foot Skoolie conversion. My partner and I just spent this past year building out entirely from the ground up. But I'm not excited about that. I'm excited about all the snow. Look at it. But look at all the snow. Oh, and we're attempting to make our way all the way across the country and back. But you've already hit that subscribe button and you've been along for the ride, which means you already knew that, right? You should go do that. Before we had even left, we broke down and moved into a diesel shop. It was a whole thing. I'll link it below. And then we hit the road where we not only made our way down to Georgia, but made it back to Tennessee, over to Kentucky, and now I think we're finally leaving Missouri. It's time to head west again. I really want to put like a little map animation thing, but I have no clue how to do that or go about that, so just give me a minute. I'll get back to you on that one. Help me. Today we're a little bit all over the place and there's so much going on. I'm just gonna leave you with one last thing. Buckle up, it's gonna be a wild ride. Yeah, where's the Gateway Arch?
It's on the border of Missouri and Illinois in St. Louis.
We did it, we made it. What was it called? Where were we?
The Gateway Arch.
Gateway?
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch? Gateway Arch was a success. It was a really big arch in the sky.
We did not go up it.
No. You can go up it? Fun fact. I did not. In little things.
I think you can like...
There was a thing on a thing. Is that...
You can literally go inside the thing.
Why
Travel inside of it.
No.
No, no, no.
No.
No, thank you. Nope, nope, nope.
No.
Just to say I did it.
No. You have fun?
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah, it was good. It says no parking, but buses allowed.
It's not the best situation for parking all those things, but we did it. We good. We got a pass. We parked in a spot we weren't really supposed to, but they let us. And the sign technically says buses only.
The sign I almost took with us.
We hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror, it was nothing. No, I think we're gonna, that was too much.
This looks so good. Another hour 43 on us.
I think so.
Now we'll start driving.
Joey, turn this off.
So our router's on and working properly, but there's an interruption between the cable between the router and the satellite dish. So I'm gonna go, hopefully it's just a loose cable, otherwise I have a backup cable.
Oh, because you're just a rock star. Thank you.
Got you.
So you gotta go climb.
I gotta go climb. Worst case, I can go from the inside, I just don't want to wake up Ryder.
There. Zipper.
Get.
Nobody told me sleeping with kittens would be like the funniest part of my day. Watch, Moose loves it. He'll follow me the whole time. Battles. Can you film me putting it on? I'll come get an artistic shot of my hands. Look great on this side. Can you turn around? No, shoot. Do you see how it looks cool?
Yeah, go.
Film me going.
Night fever, night fever. It's around the
Disco baby, disco baby, disco baby, disco.
Alrighty, Zephyr's waiting for me to let him out so we can go play in the snow together. I'm gonna go do that. I'm out of here. But one last thing before I go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, maybe leave a little comment down below letting me know what your favorite thing to do in the snow is, what's your favorite winter activity, and then lastly, don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the next adventure, and I'll know too. Alrighty, I'll see you guys down the road. Bye.
We hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror. Parking is a 0 out of 10.